Assalamu alaikum. So this is our project of air quality area and weather monitoring system. So first of all, I will explain the components which I've used in this project. So this is our 7-inch screen. This is used basically for protecting the sensors, the air quality sensors and the gas detection sensors, the temperature sensors and humidity sensors all are placed inside this. If you can see it because it's covered so it's not clearly visible, but this cable which you can see here has gone through the back side of the battery, and it is solar powered. So this screen contains all the sensors protected from the rainfall. So the next component, this is the rain gauge. Whenever rain falls on it, so it measures the rain parameters and give us the value in the form of numeric values. And this is the wind vane, which just tell us the direction of the wind, whether it is north, east or southwest. It depends upon the direction of this thing, and it is connected through the wires to the ESP32 module, which I will further show in this video. And this is our tachometer, which just rotates with the wind, and it measures the speed of the wind. This is our solar panel, which is connected down to the battery, and the battery then gives power to the whole circuit. Now as you can see that there is a battery, and this is our LoRa module, long range module, which is used for radio transmission of the data within the 10 kilometer range. And if I show you inside of the box, so this is our battery connections, and this is our ESP32 to which the wind sensor and the wind vane and other sensors are connected. We have used two ESP modules, and because we have a lot of sensors, so it wasn't easy to accommodate it in the one ESP module. So we have used two and then sent the data to the cloud. And now I will show you the results which we obtained after executing all these sensors and data. One part is still missing in it because we are working on it. It's under testing phase. Here we will place a webcam which will use to take pictures at different instances, and also it will show us the live feed of the streaming, so that it can detect the smoke and fire if it's caused in an area. Okay, so this is our Blink server where we are receiving all the data from the sensors. Here you can see we have designed an interface regarding the temperature, the humidity interface, the pressure, the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide and other different gases, and here the air quality index. So whenever we turn on our weather station, the air quality weather and area monitoring system, so here we get the status of online. Currently it's offline. The power station is off. We have cut off the power at the moment, so it's showing the status of offline. So whenever we turn on, give power to the ESP32 controllers, and the sensors get the power. So here we get the real-time data. Last time I checked it 2 days ago. So it has so the data and the values are stored here in this interface. The temperature was 37 degrees centigrade, the humidity was 25%, sorry, and the pressure was 957.89. And also here are some of the percentages and figures of different kind of gases and pollutants, particles. So here this is the interface of the website, where we get all the data from the sensors, and it's stored in the cloud. It's stored in this cloud. Here you can see it's the latest data, the data from the last hour. You can access it. You can access the data from the last 6 hours, from the last 1 day, from the past 1 week. So we have different kind of options in this interface, and it stores the data actually. And this data can then in future be used by experts to predict the temperature and the weather conditions for different kind of environments. Like we can use it in agriculture sector to predict the upcoming weather for farming, and we can use it in industrial sector to measure the air quality index, like if it's below 50, so the air is safe and healthy for breathing, and if the industrial environment is polluted, so the air quality index will be higher. It will be between 60 to 150. So then the workers should use the masks and other kind of things to protect themselves. So this is about our project, and this is the interface through which you can get the values from the sensors and store it here. And also we can get the values with the LoRa module, and you can transmit it within the 10 kilometer range if we do not have access to the internet. So these are the results obtained from the sensors which we have installed in our project.